Hi math lovers! Find the value of x in this exponential radical equation where we have 10 to the power of square root of x equals to square root of 100 to the power of x. So we will leave left side same way, square root of x, and in right side, instead of radical sign, we can make radical sign as an exponent. This will be 100 to the power of x, and then another power of 1/2. 1/2 is the same thing as the radical. So we have 10 to the power of square root of x equals to, let's make this 100 as 10 square, and then x will be power of x, and then another power of 1/2. So if we have a to the power of n, another power of m, this is equal to a to the power of n times m. We can multiply these exponents. So in this case, we can multiply all these three exponents together. So we will have in left side 10 to the power of square root of x equals to 10 to the power of 2x divided by 2. Then we can write down again this part, 10 to the power of square root of x equals to 10 to the power of, this 2 can be crossed out with this 2 divided, like 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we will left with only x. See, we have same basis. That means exponents are equal to each other. We can write down here square root of x equals to x. Now we can make both sides square, and let's see what we will have. This radical sign will go away. We will have x equals to x squared. Let's combine them in one side. Let's do this way. X squared, this x squared, minus, if this comes this side, will be minus x equals to, what remains in this side? Nothing, right? 0. Then we will factor out x. X squared divided by x will remain x minus x divided by x equals to 1. This is how we factor out. If we have same thing in both parts, we can take them one out, right? Equals to 0. If we multiply two things together and the answer is 0, this means x can be equal to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0. Then we will take this minus 1 to this side, will become x equals to positive 1. So we got two answers here for our problem. We can also check what's going on here. We have x equals 0. Imagine if we put 0 here and 0 here, we will have 10 to the power of 0 equals 1, and 100 to the power of 0 equals 1. So 0 can be the answer. Let's check 1 now. If we put 1 here, square root of 1 will come out 1. 10 to the power of 1 equals to 10. And this side, if we put 1 here, this will be square root of 100, which is also equals to 10. So we will get 10 in both sides. So we have two answers, 0 and 1 are our answers for x. Fun, right? Thank you for following. Please share and subscribe, and please write your answers in comments if you get the same thing.